How to make people trust you. This comes from page 108 of my book, Stay Home and Sell. And I'll just read it to you, and then we'll talk about it here, and I'll try to help you understand the main ideas. So I'm reading here, but I will ad-lib somewhat. Getting people to drop their guard and trust you is the key to making more sales faster and easier. So surely you can understand that. Just the more somebody trusts you, the easier the sale is going to be, the faster the sale is going to be. The secret is to be 100% genuine. Strive to discover your own unique energies and desires and find your own ways to express yourself. I once read a book on leadership, and it was written by some college professor, a very smart guy. I didn't understand about 3/4 of what he said, but the one big idea that I got out of that book that I take with me to this day, and it relates very, very much to this point here about how to make people trust you, is express yourself in the fullest way. So let me read that sentence to you. The secret is strive to discover your own unique energies and desires and find your own way to express yourself. When you do that, you will never be following the follower. You won't be trying to live up to an image that was laid on you by society, family, tradition, or the people around you. You'll be on your path to full self-expression, and this will make you totally unique. People won't always like you, but most of them will respect you. So the secret, they'll sense that you are different, and you're not being real, or you're not being fake or phony. You're not holding back. Once they sense this about you, you'll begin to earn their trust. So what people are searching for, and they're never going to be able to tell you this, at least most of them aren't. They're searching for somebody that they can trust. They're searching for somebody real in a phony world. And when you express yourself 100%, just full out, don't try to play games, don't try to just be who you are, amplified greatly, I might add, in ways that are most important to them. Striving hard to give them what they want the most and all of that. That really, people may not like you, but they will respect you, and that's part of the way that you earn their trust. So I'll continue reading now. The people we admire the most are following their own path. They listen to their own inner voice. They move in their own direction. They question authority, question tradition, question the rules. Or maybe this is just who I respect the most. And they have no fear of how others perceive them. I've always thought that was kind of interesting. Sometimes the people that I respect the most are the people that really don't need my respect or want my respect at all. I mean, they really don't care what others think of them. They're trying so hard to be genuine. And so I'm going to read on now. These people have found freedom in an unfree world. There's something about them that inspires our trust. They attract others to them because they're true blue originals who dance to the beat of a different kind of drummer. They're real, they're raw, they're honest, and they're totally different. They're a refreshing change in a sea of nameless, faceless, robotic people, and this makes others want to be around them and do business with them. And then finally, I add this. It takes great courage to be authentic, to be totally real, to express yourself fully, and yet this is the way to win the trust and respect of the people you want to attract and sell to. So that was 2 pages out of my book, Stay Home and Sell. I want you to take away this idea of expressing yourself in the fullest way here. What the problem is, salespeople are just, and other people that are in the business world are trying so hard not to offend anyone. And in doing so, they homogenize their message. And ultimately, they do become that nameless, faceless kind of person. Their message doesn't offend anybody. So they succeed on that point. But it doesn't attract anybody either. It's totally homogenized. It's vanilla, and some people like vanilla. But some people like different flavors too. And so I just think that just expressing yourself in the fullest way, and especially in ways that are most important to the people that you do business with. Nothing could be more important than that. And just remember that nobody believes you, or you start with the premise that they don't believe you, that they don't trust you, and work from that point forward. Strive to win their trust, be everything that they need you to be, but mostly just be yourself, and hope that this helps. I know it sounds simple, but if you think about this phony world that we live in and how many people are just big phonies, nothing more, they're just phony. That's all they are. There's nothing real about them. And then I think you'll realize that this really is the key here. So I know in my own marketing, I'm very imperfect. But whatever I lack in professionalism, I strive to more than make up for in the fact that I'm real, I'm raw, I'm full of energy, full of enthusiasm. And if people don't like me, well, I really wish they would, but if they don't, that's okay. Because my goal isn't necessarily to get them to like me anyway. My goal is and your goal, as I see it, should be to try to deliver on the promises, the benefits of the products and services that you provide and that kind of thing. That should be your primary number one goal. And anyway, I hope that you've benefited from this. Making people trust you. It's the secret to fast and easy sales. Win their heart and win their trust, and you'll win their business. Thanks for listening to this. If you're one of my clients, I'm teaching you how to do this with specific methods. If you're not one of my clients, click on the link below and find out how you can be. And thank you. Bye for now.